All right, good morning, everybody. It's Louis Borsalino, and today is August 27th, and this is Man Over Market morning call. All right, back to our spaghetti chart or our day chart back from January. I'm sorry, this is of October of 2014. Okay, so it looks like I kind of suspected and been telling you that the market is putting some volume down in this area in the 1800 and let's call it 1850 to 1860 now, right? So the 50% retracement is around 1974 half. So, that's going to be the key. We have gaps over here that we still have to fill, and I will show it to you. But I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I really want this market to sort of spike down and put more volume down in here, and if it could get down in the 1840s to 1830 area, that would be great. But as you can see, between the 50 and the 78.6% retracement, we're starting to put more volume in this area. We had all this time span up here with no volume in this area. Okay, so putting volume here, this is how we build bases for rallies. Build bases for rallies. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, you know, over the next several months, right? When I take a look at the profile overnight, okay, now I got these at 50-cent ticks because it's just the ranges are too big. We got a high of 1964 half. We got a gap right here up to 1968. All right, there's a gap from the other day from the 23rd. Okay, when all this stuff started falling out of bed. All right, so we got a gap up to 1968. Looks like an overnight distribution, double distribution, but this bottom's not finished. Okay, you got a bottom that's not finished. You got a single print like there in M. All right, so I would, I'm cautious that I think this is another day of a market. You could get a rally up and fill the gap. I think that the high right now is 1964 half. 68 fills the gap. Maybe we fill the gap and then the market falls out of bed again. Uh, so you're gonna have to be a two-sided trade again, and just be able to jump on things when uh, you know we warned you yesterday. We kept you on both sides of the market. We caught the break and the rally. So stay with us on Twitter and make sure you're staying abreast of where all the 5 minute pivots and all the things that we like to look at. Right. So right now, currently, it looks like our 5 minute pivot right now is in a sell. So because it came back down here, so 1962 half, we have to get above that to get the market moving back up in the upside. All right, we are looking at. Let me see here. All the sisters are their 5 minute pivots are in a sell, and then let's take a look at the value area and the trade. Okay, so remember how important the middle is yesterday. I told you guys when I put this trade out yesterday, it went through it at 1905, and then it went all the way up to 1941 plus the single prints. I mean, this was an awesome trade yesterday. If you had caught it yesterday in the afternoon, the last hour and a half of the day. All right, so we're looking at a value area high of 1914 half, so we're trading above value. We're looking at 1894. I thought I was trading gold for a second. 1894 is the point of control, and then 1879 and a quarter is the bottom of value. And then we've got our bull bear zone up here at what is that? I can't see it, guys. What is it? The bull bear zone. 1940 75. So 1940 75 right here in the orange up there. There's a bunch of numbers around there. That's why you can't see it. So we're trading above value. You know, for me, based on the profile and stuff, I'm still looking for the market to have a two-sided trade today, based on things that we've already discussed. Okay, so looking at the other markets, crude has had a nice rebound today. Okay, I haven't put it in the value areas yet, but I will. And you have, all right. So Lucas put it out on Twitter. and then gold is trading down in the 1120 area. You know that, like I said, and then bonds keep selling off, and they're at at 154. So, you know what? I guess they're still pricing the rate hike in. Well, anyway, I'm looking for two-sided trade once again. I still think that we're not out of the woods. I think the market's going to, trade between this 50% and the 78.6%. And then, remember we talk about consolidation, how we had the consolidation on the up. We were talking about this was a classic example of contraction. So this is the lines that I drew, and I kept saying the market's consolidating, 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 and boom, when we broke out, look at this move that we made. All right, so you're going to get another consolidation down here, right? It's going to the ranges will get smaller, they will consolidate, and then they'll make a move one way or the other. So that's one of the things that you got to get ready to be looking for. All right. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market. Go on Twitter. Get on the Eddie Show with us this morning, and good luck and happy trading. Bye.